Hi friend, my name is Biswajit Bor. Welcome my channel. Today I will discuss NDVI, Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, how to apply particular satellite image and vegetation properties or health knowledge. At first, what is Normalized Vegetation Index? Normalized Difference Vegetation Index NDVI. The Normalized Vegetation Index is a simple graphical indicator that can be used to analyze the remote sensing measurement. The NDVI is calculated for this individual measurement as the flow near infrared minus rate divided by near infrared plus rate. Normalized Difference Vegetation Index is a numerical indicator that the use of visible and near-infrared band of the electromagnetic spectrum and is adopted to analyze remote sensing measurement access weather target and being the observing content leaf green vegetation or not. What is the NDW used for? What is water index? This is the link and description box. So let's start how to appropriate NDVI. The let's start how to apply address imaging 9.2 interpreter spatial enhancement spectral enhancement and indices input image here satellite image input here and output file name NDVI sensor is the Landsat multispectral data and NDVI use the selected function NDVI and function is the band for near infrared minus rate divided by near infrared plus rate. So okay, there is the run complete and open the normalized difference vegetation index. There is the NDVI normalized difference vegetation index satellite image. Actually, this image interpreted upon the classification NDVI image various range based on the NDVI value following the significant information can be extracted for imagery. Barren rock, sand or snow so very low NDVI value 0.1 minus 0.1 to 0.1 actually NDVI range +1 to -1 so minus 0.1 to 0.1, the barren rock, sand, snow, etc. Shrub and grassland, cropland is 0.2, 0.5, dense forest and typical rainforest 0.6 to 0.9, deep water -1. Actually, range between 0.1 to 1 plus 1. This image is the range between maximum 0.59117. So there is image appropriate for grassland and cropland. That is the range 0.055, this cropland. Open this main image in here and appropriate there is the satellite image particular cropland and open forest here and the water body. There is the open forest. There is the blend of particular image. There is the water body. There is the classification of divided of the into another category of range of value NDVI. Thanks for watching.